G'day there, Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car in Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2022 model Hyundai Staria van, which has just come into stock. Vehicle has just come back from being detailed. Roadworthies will get done in due course, but as you'll see, this van presents very well interior and exterior also. Vehicle was a one owner from new, really clean condition, and the reason we do these videos is to give you a really good understanding of the vehicle's quality, condition, inside and also outside. So we'll start from the driver's door, work our way right around the outside of the van, take you through the back section of the van as well. But as you see, really clean condition. Driver's door section, very, very clean condition all the way through. Very, very clean. Coming to your front guard on that driver's side. Again, paint condition is absolutely flawless. Very, very clean condition all the way through. Your steel rim and tyre, plenty of tread left on the tyre. Your steel rim's in great condition as well. Coming to the front end of the vehicle, you'll see it does have factory front sensors there as well. Really good looking front of the van itself. Also, van comes standard with the 360 degree camera, which I'll show you moving forward as well. But you'll see one of the front cameras is just there on the front end of the vehicle. But as you'll see, paint condition presents very well. So really clean condition of that paintwork all the way around the nose of the van, down to your front bumper section. Really clean condition all the way through. Coming on your passenger side, passenger front guard. Again, very, very clean. Now you'll hear the van running throughout the video, so it is mechanically sound as well. But as in a paintwork on the front end on that passenger side, very, very clean condition. Your steel rim and tyre condition is fantastic as well, so plenty of tread left in those tyres. Heading along the passenger side up to the front door, again that paintwork, ultra clean condition. This is the first Staria we've had in stock actually, so we're kind of excited to have this one, but we don't see a lot of vans, especially Hyundai Starias at all. So again, like I said, first one we've had, so we're still learning these vans as well. But as you see, really clean throughout. Your sliding door on that passenger side, so it does have the dual sliding door, so one on the driver's side, again one on the passenger side. Again, that paintwork is absolutely phenomenal. Very, very clean condition. I'll open that slide door while we're here anyway, so you can see internally in the van. So as you see, really clean condition on that flooring. Has been cared for very well, this van, so really clean. Some of these vans you'll find have a lot of wear in the back section, but as you see, very, very clean on that flooring. All your side walls are in great condition. I'll head up to those walls now. So again, really clean throughout. It does have the factory cargo barrier, which I'll turn my camera around so you can see that in one tick as well. So really handy if you're carrying cargo. Nothing will fly through, hit the occupants in the front of the van. So as you see, really clean condition. Stops a lot of that noise in the back section as well. But as you see, really clean condition. I'll open that passenger door just to show you through the interior while we're here as well. So door card on that passenger side. Yeah, in ultra clean condition. All your flooring is in great order. Your cloth interior is in great order as well, so no damage on your cloth seating. Just really clean this van, ultra clean condition. Perfect, ready for the next courier or removalist, or if you need a van to travel around Australia in, this is what these are really handy for. All right, we'll go to the rear end now on that passenger side, just the paintwork again. Ultra clean condition. Again, no damage to note whatsoever. A little bit of excess water there from when I've opened the door, but no damage as such. Again, your rear tyre and steel rim, plenty of tread left on the tyre, your steel rim's in great condition. Coming to the rear end, as you see, really clean condition. On that side, you'll see there's no major damage. Very, very clean all the way through. Coming back to your tailgate area, your nice big window in the back for the Staria. Heading down all the way to your bumper, which is your reverse sensors, so you've got front and reverse sensors. Again, all the way through, presents very well. I'll open that tailgate in one sec, just so you can see on the back section as well. So really clean all the way through. Just a great price range van, this one. Being diesel as well, they're sensational on fuel. Even the back of your tailgate, which I'll get my camera up there. So again, the back section of your tailgate is in great condition. No damage whatsoever. And then back to your sides, again on that passenger side, just to show you both sides are in great condition. Just a very, very clean van, this one, really clean condition all the way through. So let's shut that tailgate and then we'll continue the paint condition report on the driver's side. Again, coming to rear end on that rear quarter section. ultra clean condition. Again, no damage to note whatsoever. Back to your tyre on the driver's rear end. Steel rims in great condition, your tyre condition's fantastic as well. And then just finalising the slide door on that driver's side. Again, no damage to note whatsoever. Just great condition, this van. And we don't think it will last too long. I'll open that slide door again. As you see, very, very clean, all the way from your step all the way up. Just a beautiful van. Very, very clean throughout. All right, so let's open the driver's door. We'll take you through the interior as well, and then I'll take you through inside once we show you through the interior. So your door card on that driver's side, again, presents very well. All your flooring, again, in great condition. Your cloth interior, very, very clean all the way through. Ultra clean condition. All right, so I'll jump inside the van, give you the exact kilometres and all the features internally as well. All right, so I'll shut that door. So current kilometres as we speak is 161,267. So they're the current kilometres the van has travelled as of today. Your beautiful digital screen. Really space like these Starias. They're just such a good looking van internally. Beautiful condition. Coming back to your steering wheel, you do have your volume controls and your Bluetooth buttons to your left hand side of your steering wheel. Over to your right hand side is your cruise control. You do have adaptive cruise control in this model as well. Your electric mirrors over to your far right. Your electric handbrake, which is to the right hand side. So a lot of these vans will have electric handbrakes now, not the old manual handbrakes. Coming through out to your center screen is your new screen with your updated system. So you've got your 360-degree camera with your reverse camera as well. So you'll see when I pop that in reverse, you've got your reverse camera to your left-hand side and your 360-degree camera to your right. Also Bluetooth compatibility also as well. Coming beneath that is all your air conditioning and heating buttons. Your drive modes down beneath here. You do have your charging point for your mobile phone too. So again, when you put your mobile phone in this section, you've got your charging point, so no need for cords anymore. So wireless charging, really handy. And then beneath that, you do have your 12-watt plugs and USB ports if needed. And also a cup holder, which I think is that one just there. So really handy. They've thought these vans out really well. And then back to your automatic transmission. So really clean, great value for money, great condition. And I don't think this one will last too long. So if you have any other questions moving forward in relation to this van or anything else we have in stock here at Your Next Car in Officer, don't hesitate to give us a call at the dealership. You can either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both look after you very, very well. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through our 2022 model Hyundai Staria in fantastic condition, and hopefully we've found the right van for you. Otherwise, have a great day.